Good Thursday afternoon, friends. Today we are going to practice reading times to the hour. Our objective for today is you will verbally identify the time on a clock with 100% accuracy. Verbally means telling me with your mouth, or you can also tell another adult that is watching this video with you. All right, we have been learning about the different types of clocks. So we have an analog clock and a digital clock. There are two different types of clocks, analog and digital. So this one is our analog, this one is our digital. In order to read the time on a clock, you have to read the hour first. So for example, the hour is shown by the shorter hand on an analog clock. So this little red hand is the hour hand. On a digital clock, the hour is the first number or the number to the left of the colon. So this first number right here. So telling time. Both these clocks show 9 o'clock. How do we know? Well, for one, let's start with the analog clock. The shorter hand, the hour hand, is pointing to the 9, and the minute hand is pointing to the 12. So just like we learned yesterday, we would say it is 9 o'clock. With our digital clocks, we have the hour first, so we would say 9, and when we see 00, we know that it is o'clock, so 9 o'clock. We've been playing this fun game called What Time Is It, Mr. Fox? But the only difference in today is that there are going to be different types of times shown on a digital clock or an analog clock. So right here we have a digital clock. What time is it, Mr. Fox? You should have said it is 12 o'clock because the first number is 12 and these are the minutes. So the hour is 12 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Fox? We have an analog clock here. Remember, the short hand is the one with the pointing to the hour. You should said it is 8 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing to the 8 and the minute hand is pointing to the 12. Good job. What time is it, Mr. Fox? It is 11 o'clock. So, how did you know? The hour hand is pointing to the 11 and the 12 is the minute hand is pointing to the 12. So that's how we knew it was 11 o'clock. What time is it, Mr. Fox? It is 6 o'clock. Good job, friend. You know it is 6 o'clock because it's on a digital clock. The 6 is the first number before the colon, so 6 o'clock. Good job. What time is it, Mr. Fox? It is 10 o'clock. So, how did you know? If you said because the 10 is before the colon, you are correct because this is a digital clock, and that's how we tell time on our digital clocks. What time is it, Mr. Fox? You should have said it is 7 o'clock because on the digital clock, the hour is first. So 7 o'clock. Good job. What time is it, Mr. Fox? You should have said 3 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing to the 3 and the 12, the minute hand is pointing to the 12. So it is 3 o'clock. Our objective for today is that you will verbally identify the time on a clock with 100% accuracy. If we did that today, friends, give me a thumbs up. Awesome job today, and I will see you again next week for more learning time on clocks. Good job.